Hey, what's up, dudes? But we'll see you eating through. We back another video today, man. Today I'm talking about the best street track car, the best street car, the best track car, the best street car that you can drive, the best track car that you drive on the street, type shit. You know what I'm saying? And here it is. I'm gonna tell y'all two, man. The first one, the best one I've ever seen ever to come out of any production ever, is that new Toyota GR Corolla. You know, it's just, I'm lying. That is a great car, by the way. I'm lying, I'm playing though. But nah, let's really get into it, man. Let's talk about the Dodge Viper ACR. A lot of people really don't talk about this car. I mean, it comes with an 8.4 liter V10. 8.4 liter V10. It's 640 horses and 600 foot-pounds of torque. Now, that 600 foot-pound of torque is probably insane with that V10. Because the bigger the engine, the more torquey it is, the more you can feel, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, we got cars that got 500, 400 horses, that's like 6 cylinders, inline 6 shit. It's not gonna hit you as hard as a V12 though. I mean, as a V10 though. Hopefully I said I got an 8.4 liter V10. Cause if not, y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know I meant V10 anyway. We one take Dre, that's all we doing. Y'all should know this by now, man. I forgot I'm in manual mode. Hold on, y'all. I made my shit pop. I'm gonna do a little bit. But anyway, get back into it, man. Come with a 6-speed Tremec, manual. Tremec, right? It comes with a 6-speed Tremec manual. Now, if y'all don't know what kind of manual that is, that's like one of the best 6-speed manuals you can buy. They put those in race cars because they're built, they're built for so much. They're built to hold so much power, bro. It's literally insane. One of the best transmissions you can ever buy. On top of that, it goes 0 to 60 in less than 3.5 seconds. 444. Yes, 14-inch Brembos all the way. 14-inch, bro. 14-inch Brembos all the way around. With a car that much power, car that much torque, you need them brakes, boy. Or your ad gonna be grabbed. I'm trying to tell you. But that's why this is the ACR version that came with all these track performance things, but you can buy it for the street. Let's be honest, when we're talking about track cars, America really be doing it good. I mean, BMW got their thing, got their M series and shit. They be good cars and stuff. But the Chevy Corvettes, man, this Dodge Viper, the Ford GT500, like these cars that are built for the track, the Z01s, you know what I'm saying? They're built for the track, and you can buy them. Hell, even the Dodge Demon, it's not built for a track, but it's built for the drag strip. That's also, that's technically a track. It's built for the drag strip. They straight out the factory. Out here just killing shit. You know what I'm saying? So, let me got down 50-50 weight distribution. That's very important when we're talking about tracking the car, because you got to be able to have both weights distribute evenly, so that way when you take corners, you take turns, you don't have to worry about changing the downforce and changing different things that's gonna mess up your lap time. You need to be able to get in that bit and drive. This car can get a bit. You can take this car straight to the track. Buy that shit and take it straight to the track and just destroy hella people out there, man. Now, this car is one of the best street track cars because the ACR ran the Nuremberg Ring in 7 minutes and 1 second, 1.3 seconds. At 7 minutes and 1.3 seconds, it ran one of the fastest lap times in Nuremberg. Come on now. That's very impressive. That's very impressive. I would have numbers to compare it to, but it's not that type of video. It's not that type of sit-down video where I got all the specs and I can talk to y'all, and I ain't got that time today. Today we on the road with it. We POVing with it, you know what I'm saying? Like, we just letting y'all nick, man. Can I? Ooh, let me pop y'all. Nah, bro. Bro, I'm sorry. I love doing that. I found out how to do that. I found out how to do that, and I can't stop doing it. I hope flames are coming out the back of that bitch. I doubt it, but I think that's super cool. Anyway, what we talking about? We talking about the video. We talking about the best street track car, Dodge Viper, ACR spec. That's the best one. Argue with your mama. Argue with your grandma. How many minutes we got in that bit? 6 minutes. All right, let's talk about something. I want to talk about the Chevy Corvette ZR1. Now, no, let me stop. The C6 Chevy Corvette ZR1. Now, C6 came out, and when the C6 came out, the C6 Corvette came out, man, that tore the streets up. That tore the car scene up. That tore all your grandpas, old ass uncles up. Because listen, the C5 was nice. It was beautiful. It was sleek. Bam, wham. It even had the pop-up headlights. C6 came out 340 horses. Well, the first one didn't come out, but 2008, 340 horses. You know what I'm saying? Came with axle power. You know what I'm saying? 6.2 liter V8. Now, on top of that, they came out with that. Then they came with the Z06. Now, people thought that the Z06 came out was a 6.2 liter supercharged V8. No. They said, we gonna go back to our roots. They put a 7 liter engine inside the Z06. It's not C6. The C6 Corvette Z06 came with a 7 liter V8. Bam, very torquey, hella power. And they said, that's just kind of not fast enough for me. Like, that's kind of not for my life. I think we need some more power. Like, we're Chevy. We came out with a new version of Corvette. We got more power. We need even more power. Then they came out with the Chevy Corvette C6 ZR1. Now, that is the first production car that came with the LS9. That supercharged 6.2 liter V8. That supercharged 6.2 liter V8, man. That motherfucker there, shit. Let me get into the specs real quick. I don't think y'all heard me. This shit went 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. Now, it's technically faster than the ACR. 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. With a top speed of 205. I think the ACR top speed was 202. This one only comes in a 6-speed manual, just like the Dodge Viper. Of course, you can't build a real track car unless it's a manual, especially around this time. They're both around the same time period, I would say. I would say the ZR1 and the Viper, I wouldn't say, I know they're around the same time period. Not really, the ACR came out like 2017, but for this car to come out around 2010, it's literally insane. As I was saying, 6.2 liter supercharged V8, puts in 638 horses. Rear wheel drive. Only weighing 3,300 pounds. This thing was a literal beast outside of the production, right out of the production line. These cars still 100,000. They still worth 100,000 to this day. So, when we talk about production ready, fresh off the production line, cars that are just there, bro. America is doing it. Of course, yeah, you got, the little 1s and 2s and like the Beamers and the Benzes and shit, but they're not truly track inspired. They're track inspired, luxury track inspired. So they weigh a little bit more. We got a little more middies and shit. But these cars are raw. They're raw fucking beasts, bro. And that's really what I want to talk about today. You know what I'm saying? That's really all I had to talk about today. By the way, like y'all don't know, this is video 4. Video 4 out of 15. We're trying to hit 15 videos by the end of the year. By then, we will have 10,000 subs. And we will be monetized on YouTube. We have 9 more videos. And 9 more videos, we will be victorious. I'm basically hitting the Vlogmas motherfucker. Basically, this is Vlogmas Car Nigga Edition. Car Nigga Edition. You know what I'm saying? But if y'all watch the whole video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell notification, please. Comment, let me know what y'all want to see next. I think the next video, I think video number 5 might be a car meet video or reaction video. Y'all let me know, man. Y'all let me know. That's the end of the video, man. And like I said before, like I always gonna say, man, I got you one to get you one. If you ain't got you one, you better get you one. I think I'm gonna get me one. If I get mine, but you get yours, I'ma test you for real. And we out. Peace, nigga. Stay.